Hello everyone. Okay, it's time now to think about our next challenge. So this week you have been doing lots of challenges about patterns. So I know on Monday Mrs. Tuttle asked you to see if you could find some patterns around your own house. And then yesterday you were having a go at making some patterns using maybe some different musical instruments. So today we're going to have a look about how we might draw some patterns of our own. So what I'm going to do first of all, before you have a go at drawing your own pattern, I'd like you just first of all to have a little look at a pattern that I've drawn, and I want us just to talk about what things we might notice about this pattern. So here it is. I want us just to look at this first pattern that we can see here. Okay, and I want you just to look really carefully at what you can see. So I want you to think about what shapes you can see and what colours you can see. And when we talk about a pattern, we talk about what we have, and think about how we would describe that pattern. So if I said to you now, what is my pattern? What do you think you might say? Just give you a little minute to think about that. What do you think you might say about my pattern? So we're going to start over this side and we're going to go across when we talk about our pattern. And this pattern, there's two things that we can think about. The first thing we can think about is what colours we can see. So my pattern, I have got two different colours. What colours can you see there? That's right, we've got blue and we've got red. So my pattern, if we were talking about our colours, we might say that the pattern goes blue, red, blue, red, blue. Well done everyone. Can you see how we start with blue, then we're red, and it keeps repeating like that? Now, we said there's another thing that we can also talk about with our pattern, and that is what shapes we have. So can anyone remember the names of the shapes that I've drawn in my pattern? What's this one called? This one where my finger is. It's a circle. Well done, everyone. Can you say that? Circle. So that's our first pattern. We have a circle. Sorry, my first shape. And the other shape in my pattern is a triangle. That's right, everyone. So we've got a circle and a triangle. So if we were to say our pattern again, this time saying the shapes, we would say circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. Well done, everyone. So we've talked about the colours and the shapes, and the other thing we could also now do is put those two things together. So we could describe the pattern talking about the shapes and the colours together. So I would say the pattern is blue, circle, red, triangle. Blue, circle, red, triangle. Blue, circle. Well done, everyone. That's great. So there's one pattern that we've looked at. Now, you might have spotted that underneath I've got another pattern as well. And there it is. Can you see anything that's different about this second pattern? Can you see anything that's different from this one? That's right. In this second pattern that we're looking at, we haven't got a circle and a triangle. We haven't got a circle, a blue circle and a red triangle. We've got blue circle, red triangle. So my pattern now, this one, is different to this one, isn't it? And can you tell me what is different about this one? We've got an extra circle, haven't we? So if we were now to describe this pattern, we would say blue circle, red triangle. blue circle, blue circle, red triangle. Well done, everyone. So there's 2 different patterns on my board there. Okay, and what I'd like you to have a go at doing today is I'd like you to draw your own pattern. So I'd like you to start with a pattern like this, where you're using maybe just 2 shapes, and you can have a go at drawing 2 shapes, and you could use different colours as well. So see if you could draw me a pattern using 2 different shapes, and can you see if you can create a pattern a bit like that one?